What we have here is the Constitution of the United States of America. What we see, looking on the right side, is that this is just one of 18 pages. So if we are looking for something specific, it would be not the easiest thing to quickly jump and find. So what we can do is make use of table of contents and bookmarks. So under Insert, we have the ability to bookmark, which is putting in like a little tab and saying, I want to be able to come back to this quickly. I'm going to put in a bookmark down here. I've jumped down to the end of Article 7 before the amendments. And if I go Insert and say Bookmark, we have a little bookmark icon, and we are able to either copy the link or remove it. If I copy the link has been copied to the clipboard, and I'm able to go back up to the top, and I can paste. So right now it's the text, and then we have this hashtag bookmark equals and gibberish. So I could choose to replace it with this text. I'm actually going to give it a space so it becomes a valid link, and I'm just going to edit it and say that this will be, I'm going to just type that this is the link to the amendments to the Constitution, and I hit apply. So by clicking here and clicking on the bookmark, it jumps me down to page 10 or 11. This is where the amendments start. So that is one way that you can quickly jump around in a document, having created and make use of bookmarks. The other option is a table of contents. We have the ability to either have it just be plain text, dotted, or links. Links are going to be very similar then to bookmark, although it's going to make use of text styles. So if it is a digital document, that might be a good way to go, as you can just click on the link and it will take you there. Otherwise, if this document is going to end up being printed, you'd be more interested in either the plain text or the dotted, where it will list out what page the linked information is on. So I'm going to click links. All it gives me is this little gray box that says add headings using format under paragraph styles, and they will appear in your table of contents. So what is that talking about? If we go up to format and go down to paragraph styles, we see that we have these different styles of text that we can work with. So what we can do is select a part, and instead of going format, we can just go right here to where it says normal text. That is our styles option. While it doesn't give us all 6 of the headings, we do have a good number of options. So I could change the preamble to, let's say, heading 1. Article 1 could also be heading 1. Section 1, this is a subsection of Article 1. So maybe I want to say that's heading 2. And section 2 then would also be heading 2. We see that it is formatting the text differently. That is because of the formatting established. If we are not happy with it, we can go and change the font, the size, colors, and then you are able to say that you want to update that heading to match. I have a few things here. I can also give title to the Constitution. But what we're going to do is clicking into this empty table of contents. If we click refresh, it's now going to grab, and based upon having the heading 1 and heading 2s, we see the preamble and Article 1 under heading 1 showing up, and then section 1 and section 2, they are heading 2, so it's a subsection of heading 1, which means it's indented a bit. We can continue on, and I can then show you that it doesn't all have to be done all at once. Maybe we're going to have sections 4 and 5 be heading 3. But note, we now have heading 4 as an option. Here's Article 2. We're going to jump to that, and we'll say that is heading 1. And I can skip down and give another article another heading. Scrolling all the way back, if I click here into our table of contents and hit refresh again, we see that as I kept going down in the order of headings, they get smaller. They also are therefore shown as further indented. Article 2 and 4, I put them back to being heading 1, and so they are back to the beginning, showing they are a major section. So whenever you've added on or adjusted a document and the table of contents isn't reflecting that, you just hit refresh, and it's going to go through and grab according to your font styles